Hey, to enable and set up mobile hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, first of all, you have to move into the settings. Now we have to scroll into the connections, and from this move into the mobile hotspot and the tethering. From this you have to click on this switcher to turn on the mobile hotspot, and you have to actually turn off the Wi-Fi. So the mobile hotspot is actually using only the mobile data. Now to configure, you have to click here, and from this we have to actually check the mobile data shared today. Also, we can change the name of our hotspot from this. Also, we can change the password and the band, the Wi-Fi band. So we can set the 2.4 gigs or 5. It's actually preferred. It will be actually a little bit quicker. And also, you have to remember that if you set the 5G, the device that doesn't actually support this, it will be not able to connect or find your hotspot. So like to get, like for prevention, you can just get the 2.4. So everybody will be able to connect into this network. From this we can set the security, but it's also recommended to stay with the default one. And at the bottom we got the more advanced settings, like for example the broadcast channel, the MAC address type. You can also set this option to turn off when there's like no devices connected. So if you want to get your hotspot turned on always, click here and then select to never timeout. Also, we can hidden the network, so the mobile hotspot name won't appear for the list of available Wi-Fi networks. You can also enable the Wi-Fi 6 standard, and you can also enable the Wi-Fi sharing. So if you set up all of the settings, click Save, and when you scroll down, you can also find another option that is like automatic hotspot. So this function actually sharing the phone internet, our phone internet, automatically when other devices are signed in to our Samsung account or with devices that are part of our Samsung account family group. So from this you can actually turn it on and set up this family sharing. When you scroll down, you can also find another option, one-time password, so we can share the password with guests to allow them to use mobile hotspot temporarily. The next time the hotspot will be turned on, the password will be reset. So that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.